नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बअद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम वइज़ फ़रक़ना बिकुमुल बहरा फ़अंजयनाकुम व अग़रक़ना आला फ़िरऔन व अंतुम तांज़ुरून सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। Title of my speech is the Independence Day of Pakistan, 14th August. Respected teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The 14th of August is the most important day in the history of Pakistan. On this day, our country got free from the British occupation. The British left with bag and baggage. Pakistani celebrate this day with great joy every year. This year, major preparations were made our madrasas. Early in the morning, the 14th August, we gathered on madrasa premises. The madrasa was beautifully decorated with flags and bunting. On this day, Navy, Army, and other forces comprise the parade. This day always reminds us of the untold sacrifices of fighters of freedom. We should pray for those who shed their blood for achieving Pakistan. Wassalam.